Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try black and white striped shirt with white pants and black loafers. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try orange t-shirt with grey faded jeans and white and blue sneakers. Next you can try grey half sleeve shirt with black pants and black and white sneakers. Next you can try royal blue shirt with light grey pants and red sneakers. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with white pants and black loafers. Next you can try white and beige striped shirt with beige pants and brown loafers. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with beige pants and loafers. Next you can try light blue striped shirt with light blue pants and navy blue loafers. Next you can try white printed shirt with light blue denim shorts and beige loafers. Watch this video to know 35 white pants outfit ideas.